Hey guys, gonna try world's hottest pepper, Carolina Reaper. Tried it dried before, but not raw like this. It's gonna suck. I have 3 of them. Gonna try one. Just have to try the hottest one. Looks kind of evil. This one. Carolina Reaper looks a bit like the Moruga Scorpion, but it has this evil tail. Yeah. It's supposed to be yeah, it's very hot. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. It's probably between 1.6 and 2.2 million scovilles. So yeah, I'll open it up. See. Try not to get something in my eyes. I should wear gloves for this. Wow. Look at this. Freaking full with seeds and stuff. Really strong aroma. Like perfume. I need to save some seeds here. It's a really nice fruit, this one. Big one. So let me cut that out. Okay. And look at this fruit. Like packed. Will be really hot. I need to stack up on some seeds. I'm gonna cut some more out here. Save a few. It's still kind of wet inside, and there's plenty of placenta here. So yeah, it's gonna suck. It's a really big one. Trying to put this together. I need to be careful not to touch my eyes. It's gonna fail horribly, but wow. To being the biggest moron on the planet, and for you guys, it's gonna suck. Need to chew this up well. Good luck. Thank you. I'm gonna die soon. Yeah, the Carolina Reaper comes creeping up. It's not instant heat. I will prep some yogurt and stuff. Well, wow, intense heat, can't even talk. Try to chew this up. Hiccups. Wow, this will be the hottest thing. I'll taste it. Hiccups. Wow, quite bad. watering in my eyes. Yeah, this is owning me. Wow. A lot of water in my eyes. Oh. And tears are pouring down. Wow. Starting to drip on my nose. Totally worth it, guys. Wow, super intense heat. Like all over the place. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna drink some yogurt. Sorry, can't take one without drinking any milk or yogurt. Wow, tears are like pouring down. Pretty sick hiccups. Water is pouring like from my eyes, from my nose. Wow, intense. Hit my back of my throat really bad. It hurts. It's kind of sticky back of my throat. So eating reapers, yeah, don't do it. Next, not. No, the heat is crazy. It's now in the back of my throat, really bad. It's really burning. Wow. It's gonna suck this evening and tomorrow morning. Now it's really bad. Yeah, it's burning. Burning in the back of my throat. Yeah, I'm shooting with yogurt for like 10-15 minutes. It's really burning. Glass. That's my daughter. She wants ice cream too. Wow. Wow. Tears are still pouring. It's not strawberries, it's chili. My daughter thought this was strawberries. Says she wants strawberries. Oh. still really burning. Stuck here in the back of my throat. That was crazy. Wow. Sweating. Starting to get a bit better. Still massive burn. Wow. That was overwhelming. It's been about 10 minutes in, and yeah, starting to go down. Still quite good burn, but getting better. Oh. I'm sweating everywhere. Pretty sure my stomach will be upset this evening. Gonna try waving to a few guys here on live. Wow. Intense. Yeah. Cottage cheese doesn't help at all. I like yogurt, but it's ice cream is also good. I'm like breathing perfume. Wow. It hit me quite bad. Sweating all over the place. Starting to get better. Oh. Quite a lot of yogurt. So yeah, when the yogurt yeah, massive burn now on the tongue. Yeah, should maybe have some bread. Thank you. It's starting to get better. It's around 10-15 minutes, and then it's pretty much over. I had to drink a lot of yogurt, but yeah, survived. We'll see later this evening. My stomach is, but yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna probably put up a video on YouTube, Fish Pepper Mike. So tune in there, and let's see what I have in store for next time. I brought the Toe of Satan and the what's the other challenge? The Death Knot 2.0. So I'll probably put up a video of trying that later on. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.